So here we've got a unique problem, and I will be showing you the solution to this problem. These implants and cylinders have been exported from a different diacom software and have been imported into Blender. Now we do not have any sleeves and we do not have any offsets. So here's a solution to this problem. So simply select the cylinder, and this is a little bit of a workaround to this. Then in the guide, create sleeves, we're going to go to the second batch, the second menu where it says import other cylinders. And we're going to create a clearance around the cylinder, and we're going to apply this clearance, and then we're going to select the top face of it and create a sleeve. This sleeve we can manipulate, so R to rotate, and we can scale it to make it a little bit thicker for printing. Then what we're going to do is we're going to set this to 0, and this will immediately put it to the bottom of the actual, or the bottom but the head of the implant. As you can see, it's exactly on the head, the top of the red implant. And then we're going to select our offset. This could be 9 millimeters, for example. So now the distance between the top and the actual implant, if we measure this, that should be 9 millimeters, which it is. Okay, so, but this cylinder is a solid cylinder, and there's nothing there that will make a hole going through it. And the blue cylinder is our hole making cylinder. So I'm going to expose these filters, and you can see here where it says drill. We will enable that. So make sure that you actually select the outside one, tab, B to box select, E to extrude, and we're going to extrude it through there, and then tab again. Then what we're going to do is we're going to trim this drill and make a hole. So there we've got a sleeve. It's offset at 9 millimeters. So I'm going to repeat this. Let's recap. So we're going to select this one, make a clearance around it, apply this clearance, select the top of it, create a sleeve, R to rotate it, S to scale it. We're going to set this to 0, and then we're going to, you can shift it up if you want to, like this, depending on your offset. Let's put this at 9, for example, and now we need a hole cutter. Enable that. Make sure you select the blue one, tab, transparent mode, I'm going to B, so E to extrude this through it to make our hole, and then we're going to trim and make a hole. And then we can do this for each and every one, and then complete your guide either by making a tube or making a layer.